Hi everyone, this video here we're looking at lower body exercises. So we're going to isolate the leg muscles here, ankle muscles, and a little bit of the hip muscles, and just try and go nice and easy working through strengthening the legs. So anything with this video, just do what you can. Anything you need rest, take the rest, and you come back into it. And we just go through our entire lower body segment as best we can. Okay, so we're just going to try and activate those muscles a wee bit on the lower part of the leg. We start off with our feet and we're trying to start off with the right leg. So all we're going to start off here with, if we can, is gently pushing our toes into the ground with the right leg and trying to lift the right heel off the ground and right heel back down. Trying to lift the right heel up a wee bit and back down. Just trying to activate the lower part of the muscles here as we just gently lift and recover. Trying to gently push the toes a little bit into the ground if you can here, which will generate the force to help lift the heel off the ground. And back in. Trying to warm up and fire up those calf muscles as we lift and recover. A few more here on that right leg as we push the toes into the ground, lifting the right heel up, back down, right heel rises, and as we come back down, just let that recover and relax. Move ourselves over to the left side now if that's okay. Same again, we're trying to gently lift the left heel a little bit up off the ground and back in. Left heel lifts off the ground and back down. So try and push the left toes into the ground if we can, just to lift the left heel up, back down to recover. Lift the left heel up, back down to recover. Toes gently push into the ground as we lift, gently come back down to release and recover. Toes into the ground as we lift the left heel up and back down. A few more here on that left leg. And then as we come back down, just let that relax. So we're going to move over to the right leg now, and we're trying and just work a little bit into the upper hip area with this next one. We're going to try and lift the foot completely off the mat, or just as far as you can. Take a nice deep breath in, and we just try and lift the foot up, bring the foot back down. So as we lift the foot up, we're working that upper hip area to lift the leg up. We're just seeing how that feels and recover. As the foot rises, you'll feel that in that upper thigh area. And let it relax then. We're just trying to lift as much as we can, or just a little bit of muscle activation will do the job as you feel and hear working. Just going up, just coming down, taking a few moments at the bottom and reset and recover as needed. As the foot rises and comes back down. We'll do a few more on that right side. As you come back in to recover, we'll just relax the right leg, we'll switch over to the left. Same thing again, we're just going to try and lift the left foot a little bit up off the ground if we can and bring it back down. Left foot just lifts a little bit up off the ground and floats back down. So we try and activate the muscles now on the left side as we lift the foot up, bring the foot back down, lifting the foot up, bringing the foot back down. Lifting the foot up if we can, bringing it back down, lifting that foot up again, bring it back down. Do one more here to lift the left foot up, bring it back in to recover. Well done, excellent. So we move our head back over to the right leg now. We're going to try and work into the upper thigh muscles with a little bit of kick outs. And we're just trying to kick your right foot out as far as you can and then bring it back down to release and recover. Rest it at the bottom, and then we go again with the right foot kicking out as far as we can and bring it back down to recover. So as we kick the right foot out, we're targeting the upper thigh muscles here, those quads. So they're going to pull that foot up. We're just trying to isolate and strengthen them with this kick out, kick back in. The foot is going to kick out, right foot back in to recover, kicking again, right foot out, right foot back in to recover. Right foot coming out, coming back in. We'll do two more here if we can. As we kick the foot out, kick the foot back in, kick the foot out, kick the foot back in. As you come back in, we're going to release and recover and relax that side. And recover those muscles on that side. We gently switch over now to our left side and try and mimic the same thing. Take a nice deep breath in. We're ready, trying to kick that left foot out. Bring that left foot back in. We kick that left foot out just as far as you can comfortably and back in. So we're trying to activate the thigh muscles now on the left leg as we kick the left leg out, back in, kicking that left foot out, coming back in. You can rest for a few times anytime you need and come back in if you need it. So keep the kick going if that feels okay. Left foot kicks out, coming back in. Left foot kicks out, coming back in. Do one more here, so kick the left foot out, coming back in and release and relax. Recovering our left leg for a few seconds, recovering those muscles. So we're going to bring ourselves over to the right foot again, and we'll work a little bit into our ankle movement mobility next, okay? So what we're going to try and do is just try and lift the right foot off the ground again if you can, or we can keep the toes on the ground for this one if we need. And we're just going to try little circles with the foot here, so just little circles with the foot, working into that ankle mobility. So we can do a few circles and take a rest and come back in as needed. We can keep the toes low on the ground and just rotate if we need. We're just trying to do circles with that foot. If circles feel too much, we just go up and down with the foot if that feels a little bit easier. We're just trying to work into ankle mobility with this one here. So we can draw circles up and down or little side to side motions just to help release and recover those ankle joints and getting into those ankle muscles. A few more circles or up and downs on this side, and then gently release and recover. Leg back down, let the leg muscles relax again, the ankle muscles relax on that side. Well done. We'll try our other side now if that's okay. So left leg again can come up, left foot off the ground or toes staying on the ground. And we're just trying little circles now with the left side, the left foot. If the left circles feel too much, again up and down, side to side. If that feels easier on the body, we're just seeing how it is and we're working from there. Little circles, just going as far as your mobility allows. Try to work into that muscle area around that ankle joint now on the left side. If the circles feel too much, get a little bit side to side motions or up and down motions if that feels okay. Foot stay on the ground as we work through the circles to take some of the weight away. That's 3, 2, and 1. As we come back down, then release and recover. Covering the muscles on the left leg, left ankle joint. Well done. Good. So we're going to work into our pauses now as we try and add a bit of pause to the next set of exercises to try and challenge the muscle a little bit further if we can. So we go back into our right leg here, and we're going to try and go our foot off the ground, but we're going to try and pause for 5 seconds and back down to release. We're going to try 4 on one side, 4 on the other, see how we get on. So with the right leg, if you're ready, we're going to try and lift the foot up off the ground, and we're going to try and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it back down, let it recover and release, taking a breath in. When we're ready, we're going to lift the right foot up again now, holding at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bringing it back down, let it relax and recover. Well done. Coming again now with the right foot up off the ground if we're ready, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bringing it back down to release and recover, taking a breath. Well done. Lifting that right foot one more time up, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As it comes down, let it relax, release and recover. Well done from there. And we're trying the same thing now on our left side. Left leg holding for the second. So if we're ready, left foot now is going to lift up off the ground, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down, release and recover. Well done. Reset as we lift the left foot up again if we're ready, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bringing it back down to recover. Well done. If we're ready again, we're just going to lift that left foot up, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, well done. Release and recover. And if we're ready, we're just going to lift that left foot up again, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Release and relax. And just shake and recover those legs out. Well done. So we're going to move ourselves back over to the right leg now. We're going to try our kicks, but again, we're going to try and hold that 5-second pause in there before we recover. Again, we'll try and 4 on one side, 4 on the other. So back into the right leg if we're ready. We're going to try and kick that right leg out, holding at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in. Cover there. Well done. Reset the body. We're going to go again with that right leg, kicking that right leg out. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in, release and recover. Well done. Reset the body and we go again, kicking that leg out, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in to recover. Well done to release. Taking our time. And one last time on the right leg as we kick it out, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in to recover and recover that side. Well done. Excellent. Good. So taking time, we're going to switch ourselves over now to that left leg, and again we'll try the 5-second pause with the kick out if that feels okay. We can repeat the right leg if you wish. So reset the body, and we're going to try and kick out again. Left foot holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot back down. Take our time, recover. We're going to try and kick that left foot out again now, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back into recover. Well done. Reset. We're going to try and kick that left foot out again now, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in. One last time as we kick that left foot out again, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As you come back in to release and relax and recover. Well done, well done. So from there, that is the end of our lower body session. Well done for that.